Thursday, partly cloudy. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following, in Colorado, Briggsdale, high wind warning in effect for this evening. What? Northwest winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour possible. Where? Briggsdale, Fort Morgan, and Sterling. When? From 5 p.m. this afternoon to midnight Mountain Standard Time tonight. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.